Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to share some tips to become a successful landlord here in Canada. Well, I won't say that I am 100% successful, but at least I did not have any problem. I have been a landlord for some time and my tenants are paying rent. I'm lucky about that. So I'm going to share some tips. So guys, the very first thing I would say is to do thorough verification. When it's very important that when you select someone as a tenant, you do detailed verification. Okay, of course, within the limits, there are certain questions you can ask, there are certain questions you cannot ask, and get proper written consent if you are running through anything. Okay, then once you select your candidates, once you select your tenants, you have to be very nice to them. Okay, of course, I'm not saying that you agree to all the illegal demands, but anything genuine, do not deny. And you have to be aware of your role, of your responsibilities, your rights and responsibilities. You must be aware of, so that you can share proper communication when and where required. Right? For example, like it's winter season, but still I'm cleaning snow, but even at their side too, because I know that's my responsibility. The third very important thing that you should be doing it, that creates a very good and positive impression, is that you should be available when they need you. If anything breaks in their unit or anything they need help with, be available. Like to me, sometimes they even called me at 11:30 p.m. at night, stating that internet not working, so I had to restart my router. They are not doing that anymore because I have purchased a booster for them and they are using the booster. In case you have to enter the unit, like for any kind of repair or anything, you have to give them proper notice and share information very properly, like on time. For example, like I had got a letter from the city where the city wanted to change the water meter. Okay, fine. Water meter was in basement, so I notified them and I gave them more than 15 days. And when the technician came, I went along with him and it went through. And for certain recurring activities, like if you're cleaning something, like okay, I won't go into that, that's not relevant. Yeah, I mean, and respect everyone's privacy. If you have to enter for any reason, like for changing furnace filter or anything, give them proper notice, proper information, so that there is no issue. Okay, it is gonna help. And if they put any complaint, like for me, once they said that cabinet door got broken, I got it fixed within 2 days. There was some issue with washing machine, that also I got fixed. Everything like that. You should have these things always fixed before anything wrong, so that they also live peacefully. And if you maintain a good relationship, good behavior, it's always good. Like sometimes what happens is, like they order packages and delivery guys, although in the address it's written basement something, they don't go, they just drop at my door. So what I do, I pick it up, I send them a message. I don't never open their mails or anything, and I deliver it to them. So that also creates a good relationship. That's why, like, out of these months, only once they paid on time, and for all other months they paid before time. Okay, so even yesterday, like it was 30th and today is 31st, they just paid me on 30th itself for the rent of February. Yeah, so if you maintain good relationship, good things come out. But again, it's not necessary that whatever I'm telling you is gonna help all of them. There are certain bad apples too, where regardless of how good you are always gonna be in trouble. But hopefully that does not happen to anyone. So that's what I would like to say, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.